videos of speed, started reading Grab and Smith, sir, simultaneously doing my MCQs. And finally, the revision videos, last two grant tests in Speed app, they have pretty much helped me, sir. Faculty of Speed, they made clearly understand the topics for last minute revision. They were really helpful, sir.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute and team of Speed to Dr. Hemila Sai Sri Maddirala for scoring an
Thank,
AML of 2, CML of 4 in NEESS April 2026 session. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Great. So can we know a brief background about yourself from where you started till date, what all you have done?
So my MCH preparation I've started in January 2026, sir, with speed. And but last 1 month, from late March to kind of complete April, I have intensified my preparations, sir. I've taken break from my work and I've intensified it, sir.
Great.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
can we know, Doctor, where you did your medicine, where you did your MS general surgery, the MCS plastic?
So I've done my MBBS from a private medical college in Andhra Pradesh, sir, NRI Guntur, and my MS is from Government Medical College, Guntur, sir. And basically, in the last year of my MS, I've developed interest in plastics because of the fine and precision it kind of involved in plastic. I've developed interest in final year of my MS. So
Excellent.
that's how I landed up in the plastic surgery.
Excellent, excellent, excellent.
Yes.
Now, can you share something about your preparation? How all you did, how you prepared to get a topmost rank like this?
Actually, I haven't expected this AML of 2, sir. It is beyond my expectations. I'm confident that I would secure a good, decent rank, but this is beyond expectations, sir. Actually started in Jan 2026 with videos of speed and Grab and Smith, sir. So I started with videos, and later in February or March starting, I've also started reading Grab and Smith, sir, simultaneously doing my MCQs. And finally, the revision videos, last two grant tests in Speed app, they have pretty much helped me, sir.
Great, great, wonderful. Doctor, how
Mm.
long is the preparation, duration of preparation? What is the time that you have spent for the preparation? Can you share something on that?
Initially, since mid of Jan, I've used to read for 6 hours after work in the evenings. I used to read, sir. But from late March, I've continuously stick on to only preparation, sir. Uh, how many hours I could read, I was just only reading with speed, sir. That's it.
Very nice.
Speed and
Very
grab and Smith.
nice.
Yes, sir.
How many questions did you attend in this exam?
I have attempted 79, sir.
Okay, that one question was from plastic or the general surgery that you left?
Plastics, sir. Microvascular.
Okay. To you, what you felt is that the general surgery portion is a really tough one or a plastic surgery a tough one? Okay.
Coming from general surgery background, I felt plastic surgery is little tough, sir, because for AIMS, INISS, we need to actually go into the depth of plastics for preparation, sir. It's not like NEET, just we can concentrate on superficial topics. But to start with the preparation, I felt plastic is difficult, sir. But later, when I went to examination hall, I felt that it is very superficial than what we have prepared.
Okay. Understood. Great. Doctor, now what is that you want to convey to your juniors who are aspiring for MCH plastic surgery from general surgery background?
Um, Whatever from which medical college or at what stage of your preparation, I feel that just give your genuine attempt. How much duration you have left for preparation for your examination is immaterial, sir. I haven't really expected that I'll get it in this first attempt of my INSS. But after securing this rank, I feel that just go give your genuine attempt and wait for the results. And simultaneously do your MCQs.
Great. I could feel something on this interview. I've been actually listening to you. When I asked
Yes,
you, you said I did my MBBS from a private medical college.
yes, sir.
I mean, I mean, subconsciously. I mean, there was not a conscious attempt, that it came subconscious. That's what I feel from my.
Yes, sir.
There is something in the mind that I will reach an institute. I mean, I'll try work to reach that institute. Today, you have achieved it. So there is something that has really worked. You have worked to reach that I will do in an institute, and you have achieved. That's what I could feel through all this.
Yes, sir. Thank
And
you, sir.
I mean, you have worked hard and with the dedication and with all the wishes. So you are capable of doing something. That's what I could understand. You're capable of doing something, and that you're able to showcase today.
Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
So
Thank
it is
you.
not that. I mean, it's always, yeah. It's now it's a message that you have very rightly said, that don't think that, I mean, it's not possible. It is
Yes, sir.
possible.
Yes, sir.
It is, if it is possible by Hemila Sai to do this,
Yes, sir.
and it
Yes.
inspires people, all can do.
Yes, sir.
So congratulations to you, doctor. I could see a great message in this. I could see that
Thank you, sir.
you
Thank you, sir.
you have achieved, you have broken something which was around you.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
It was really overwhelming, sir. I haven't expected this rank.
yes, yes.
Yes.
So from now on, the work that you're going to do, the kind of work that you're going to do in plastic, with a great
Yes.
level of confidence and the dedication, you will be all out now. You will be all out. Come on, let me take it and do or give the best in my specialty. And because of that, two things are going to happen. Now you're going to be happy, number one, that I could see that. You'll be 100% you'll be happy in doing this
Yes,
because you
sir.
want to do this. Number two, because of that, the number of people going to get benefit out of your services is going to be amazing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Now, time to thank, and whom all you feel that you want to thank, that they helped you from day one till date in your career to what you're today.
Uh, Firstly, my parents, they have put so much effort in for me so that I can do my work or I can learn my I can prepare from my NSS and speeds. My all my professors, faculty of speed, Rashida madam or Karthikeyan sir, Balakrishnan sir, everyone really, sir, really have. They made clearly understand the topics or concepts or anything. And Achilles revision videos, he had that those videos were really helpful, sir. Wait, last minute revision, they were really helpful, sir. And my friends, sir, they have really supported me. I I literally I haven't expected, sir. In this short period, I don't know whether I would achieve this or not, but they have believed in me, sir.
Great, great. So we once again, behalf of Speed, we wish you all the very best and all the success to have a
Thank you.
great and wonderful and an amazing career in MCH
Thank,
plastic surgery. Best wishes to you.
thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.